Mama, say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Making sure.
You did it? You did it. Wow, look at the engine inside. You guys can see it. Very current progress. Looks pretty sick if you ask me.
You understand this?
If you ask me.
Yeah.
Got the engine inside.
This representation is not a function because the input of 3 has more than one output.
What's this?
What does that mean? Show me how you know that.
Because X is the input.
Yep.
So 3, you have that twice. You can't have the same output, or you can't have 2 different outputs for one number. It's like a
For
vending,
one input.
yeah, it's like a vending machine. You can't have 2 different items from the same input.
Yeah.
It's like you have 3 for the X on 2 of them, but you have different like Y outputs,
Yeah.
which you can't do that.
Yeah. Just making sure you understand it. If you added 7, 3 to this representation, it would no longer be a function.
Because 7, 3 is X if you would have said this, 7 to -2. This is the X, this is the Y. So if you put it in a coordinate like this is,
Okay.
and you put them together like that, you have 2 different outputs for the same input. And you can't do that. But since it doesn't have that, it's a function, but then when you add that, it's not a function.
This representation is a function where each input has the same output. And we said A, which is right, because no matter
They can
all
have the same
these-
output, but they can't have the same input. Like an input can have 2 different outputs, but
No. Isn't that backwards? Aren't you saying that backwards?
no, like
Isn't X the input?
So how are we doing
yeah,
this?
an input can have
We're
2
trying
different
to find
outputs.
the letter.
Right.
Is there a letter
But-
on that?
But an
And then-
output,
An output can
in
have
this
2
case,
different
the
inputs,
same output has different inputs.
which you can do.
Okay.
Yeah, there's the letter C.
It's a C?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
This is not a function because the input
What's wrong if it's a C?
of
No,
minus
nothing.
3
I
has
just,
more than one output.
They're supposed to be, yeah, like certain.
So I would look at the graphs. Minus 3 would be,
C. Okay.
that doesn't have one. Minus 3, yep. And see there's a dot
A.
there and a dot there.
No, CA.
So that's 2
They
different
taught us that
outputs.
by doing something called the vertical line test, where you draw a vertical line on each dot. And if there's more than one dot on one line, then it's not a function.
Right.
Like this one,
Is
if
that
you do
one?
that test,
G.
then it passes it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, this,
Even the words to yourself kind of.
Kaden, what's this one?
oh.
B.
This represents a function because it passes the vertical line test. It's that one.
Yeah.
It would be a function if you removed 2, 0.
Which you see, because see the 2 is the input,
E.
Yep.
but it has 2 different outputs, and you can't do that.
F.
If you were to remove the 0, it would just be 2 to 1, which you
Okay,
can do because
EF.
it's only one input, output,
C, D. Okay.
which would make it a function, but it's not a function.
So.
It has a 0.
Which best describes why E is a function? Each input has one output. Yes.
Okay.
Which best describes why D is not a function?
So
It
H.
has vertical line test.
Okay. Which of the ordered pairs could be added to table E and the table remain a function?
I got it.
5 can't be that because that would be 2 different outputs.
Yep. That because
That
it's a new
could, that
input.
can't, and that can't, so it's gotta be that one.
Yeah, because -9, it's a different input. It has the same output
We
as this
just
one, but you can
face
do
each
that. So it's
other.
not.
Annie added a point to graph F and it was no longer a function. Give an example of an ordered pair that she could have added.
0, 0. Because since there's already one on
I've
here,
had a,
which is 0. It's the 0 on the x-axis, which is an input.
yeah,
And this is 0, which would be on the same line.
yeah.
But
Okay.
it's a different thing.
So you got that part.
Yeah.
What else?
Well, evaluating functions, which is pretty much on here. Which is this.
Oh, that's the stuff we did.
Yeah, this is like the part of this I understand.
Okay.
This is evaluating it. It's like putting in values for them. That's the part of this I do get. And then the identifying, of course.
And you know how to plot them, right?
Yep.
Okay, well,
Because when you have the x, which is what number we'll plug it in for x, of course. So that's your x coordinate. And then when you solve whatever's over on this side, using the plugged in value for x, like let's say -5, and you get, I don't know, 8, like we got here, that's your y, is whatever you get on this side.
right.
And then you plot that on the graph.
And you understand how to plot them on the graph.
Yeah.
The x is on this side is positive, this side is negative. On the y coordinate or the
Kaden,
y
come here.
This is
axis.
negative, this is positive.
Yeah.
Because this side
Okay,
goes up.
this I need to put. Stop,
Okay.
please.
Okay.
This you need to put right into
Good to
here,
go.
Alright.
like into the.
This part I'm not helping you much
I said
with,
Oh,
hi.
I see. Wait,
you know, but you got the right answers.
spaced out.
And I kind of see why. But like this one, I mean, it'd be very difficult
Which I don't even think they'll put something like that on there.
to prove it without your graphing calculator.
Okay, there, like that.
Okay.
I don't really think they'll put
No,
something
we
like
gotta
that
go
on
to the camera, Mama. They wanna watch us do it.
Okay,
not
so
just-
we're putting the long shaft
Yeah.
into the top,
Okay, let's put it in.
Okay.
like that. Yep, just like
10.
that.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, what are these, do you need one of these at school?
No, I have one.
That, and
Or you
then
have-
Yeah. We have like a tan bag.
Then we
and it's
need
and That's
this.
where our like stuff was.
Is it? Alright, it's tight.
this.
Alright.
I think I'm ready.
Okay,
Screws.
hope so.
Okay, Kaden, this needs to set.
I'm gonna put this back in my
Oh,
folder.
hold on. Let me make sure we put this the right direction. No, it goes this
No, no,
way.
okay.
There we go. Okay, Kaden, set this. This needs to now go on top of that.
Alright,
Line it. Oh, you can't move this though. You gotta leave that.
I got it.
Line it up. Wait. Okay, line it up. Yeah.
Perfect.
There we go.
Honestly, they want to watch us engineer, not just watch us do stuff. They want to see
What?
us.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm
They
trying.
wanna see us
All right,
do
Kaden. Now you gotta put screws into this.
Not
Kaden.
again.
Yep.
More screws.
6 screws. And all of these.
Simply
Hey.
why?
See all these little.
Get away from that
Oh
food.
my gosh. Okay, look. Screw here, 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 and then 3 on the other side.
Of course, it's more screws.
Okay,
Okay, one.
careful. Yep, screw that one in. Careful. Oh, where are we moving it?
Because it's not in the right position. Is it now?
Yeah.
Alright, I can keep screwing it in. Careful, I don't want to stab your hand.
Is it tight?
It's tight.
Alright, don't push too hard on this plastic.
Alright, that's good.
Oh boy, we gotta be more careful.
I caught it.
Where?
I caught it.
I don't think you did.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, be careful. Don't pull it.
There we go. Mama, I'm so smart. Are you recording?
No, I'm holding a light.
I'm recording. It's tight.
Don't push down too hard.
That's good.
Careful. You can't pick your finger up like that. Your finger sticks to it.
It's a screw.
It doesn't matter. Move. Move. You can't pick your finger up off of it quick like that.
Okay.
Come on.
Try it one more time. I'm sorry.
Carefully.
I'm sorry. Okay.
I'm not going to keep looking for these things. Oh my gosh, Kaden.
I did it.
Come on, bud.
I couldn't do anything. All I did was all I tried to do was put it in.
I can't right now.
Well, hold it over the table, number one.
Come on, help me look. I don't have a
I'm
light.
the one that saw it bounce over here.
Just move. For God's sake, please.
I can't help when it falls.
Yes, you can. You need to be more
How about
careful.
you put them in and I'll screw them in?
Go.
No, I just wanted to show. I tried to put the screwdriver in.
Push it back. No, back. So when it falls out, it's not bouncing on the floor.
There. See? Slowly.
Okay, well now it can't bounce out.
What do you mean it came out?
It can't bounce out.
Why is your shirt on backwards?
It's not.
Yes, it is.
I think that's good. That's good.
All right, after this, you need to go do your
No.
reading.
No, Mom. The camera's running low.
Carefully. Watch what you're doing.
Just tight. It's tight. Why? Okay, fine. Go. Gent. You happy for once?
Yeah, I am.
No. You messed. We've been recording for almost 20 minutes now.
Careful. It's the last one. Okay, thank the Lord that's over. Okay, tomorrow. Well, we won't have much time. We're on step 10.